Hi everyone, it's Mr. Byers. I just want to show you how to log on to the Hands-On Labs webpage, how to navigate to your course, and how to find materials for each lab. So first, you'll log on to the course either by following the link that was sent out by your instructor, or you can find it usually in the syllabus or on your MyMac webpage. You could also type holscience.com and it will help you get to this page. Log on with the username that you created. Navigate to your course, and I'll change to student view. First, you'll see all of the lessons that have populated. There will be prerequisite lessons, labs, that will help you get familiar with how the labs work, how to perform the experiment, and in the case of biology, how to use the electronic vScope, virtual scope. These labs must be completed by this week and before you can complete the other lessons. As you complete a lesson, they will unlock dependent on your instructor's due date, how they have that set up. For biology, they unlock 2 labs every 2 weeks. Navigate to the top left. You'll see a button that says Materials. This will give you a supply list for each lab. It will tell you what you must come up with and what HOL will ship you in the lab kit. And so this can help you prepare for each lab accordingly. It will be different depending on what course you're in, but how to find the list, how to find the materials is the same for each of our science courses. If you are a biology student, you can also find the virtual scope here. It's a little frustrating to use at first. I shouldn't say frustrating, but it is a little picky as far as touchy when you are moving the slide adjustments or stage adjustments or the knobs. But after using it a little bit and becoming familiar with it, it does get easier. When you get your kits, you will have prepared slides. We did not want to make you purchase that microscope, and so you'll just be using the virtual slides in your virtual slide library. Hands-On Lab does provide the opportunity to purchase a scope if you wanted. I do not recommend it or require it. I know there are other microscopes out there through other companies that can be used to view slides. That would be entirely up to you. It is not something that we supply or something that I recommend. I went with the virtual scope option. So I'll go back to the main page here. So again, you can navigate to your lessons. As you do a lab, the next one will update. You'll work through each one. They take about an hour or so to complete. Make sure to prepare according to your instructor's due dates. So try to log in, follow our syllabus instructions, create an account like we suggested, and let me know if there are any questions.